Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. In today's video, I'm going to show you this AI which can help you in decision making. So let's go to Google and search for Rational Gina and click on the first link. It will take you to their website. Rational Gina is an AI to assist business owners, managers and individuals in making tough decisions. Okay, so let's go down and let's get started. Okay, so you can sign up. I already have account there, so I'll click on the Gmail and it will take us to their platform where you can state your statements for the AI to make decision for you. Okay, so let me delete this history. Okay, so we have the pros and cons. We have the SWOT, multi-option, and the casual chain. Okay, so you can select from any this option to give you the decision. Okay, so when you go here, you can select the analysis mode. Here too, we have the no persona and the new persona. Okay, so let's type in our statement. Meditate a day. You want to make a decision out from it. Okay, it will take some few seconds. Okay, bingo. So it's in. So now we have the pros and cons. Okay, so it reduces stress, increase focus, improve sleeps, and the cons are time commitments. Not everyone is successful and requires practice. Okay, so let's change the option. Okay, and let's see this one too. And we can compare. Okay, so the SWOT is also generating its response or giving us decision. Okay, so it gives you a short summary and you see the strengths and the weakness, the opportunities and the threats. So it's more like the pros and the cons, but it gives you other options for you to look at to make your decision or assist in decision making. You can try other options too and try this powerful AI in decision making. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Peace.